Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the evaporator cover in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a flathead screwdriver, the Phillips screwdriver, and a putty knife. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new evaporator cover. The evaporator cover is located inside at the back of the refrigerator compartment. It covers and insulates the evaporator coil. Also, it has a evaporator fan motor mounted at the back of it. The main reason for the evaporator cover to be replaced is if it breaks and won't stay in place. To get to the part, we need to open both doors. So I'm going to remove the drawers, and then I'm going to remove the crisper drawer cover. Alright, so I'm going to lift up the front just a little bit and then pull out the cover. Be careful, don't break the glass in the middle. Next, I'm going to remove the shelves. Lift up the front end and release the back. So I'm going to use the flathead screwdriver to pry this cover off. And there's a magic screw behind it. So we're going to take out this Phillips screw out. I'm going to use a Phillips screwdriver. To remove this one at the bottom, and the bracket will be also taken off. There's a couple more Phillips screws here at the bottom. There are 6 arrows, 3 and 3 on each side, that marks the tabs at the back of the cover. We're going to insert the putty knife where the arrow is, and press in and pop open. And I'm gonna go lower, and this side open. I'm gonna pull on the bottom slightly, and we go to the next tab here, and the whole thing comes out. I'm gonna disconnect this plugs. I'm gonna push on that locking tab. Pull that, and same thing here. And now we can remove the evaporator cover. This is the old evaporator cover next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Before installing the new evaporator cover, we're going to remove this protective film. Alright, I'm going to bring in a new cover, and I'm going to start with plugging in those 2 power plugs. The blue plugs goes on the top, and now I'm going to plug in the white one. Alright, I'm going to turn around the cover. Place it in the cutout and push the sides. Okay, now I'm going to place the Phillips screws back in. And now I'm going to install this middle bracket. And I'm going to secure it with a couple of long Phillips screws. And now I'm going to place the cover back in. It goes in this way. I'm going to place the shelves back in. This 2 hooks goes into these openings. And now the right side. Now the crisper drawer cover goes in. Slide it in. And the crisper drawer. And now we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.